Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Are you ready to speak English at work today? We all know that to speak English fluently, we don't just need to study grammar. We need to train our mouth and our brain to use sentences automatically. That's exactly what we're going to do right now. I've selected 10 super practical, daily use sentences for the workplace. We're going to learn them, and then we're going to practice them together 3 times. Each time a little bit faster. But first, if you're new here, this channel is all about building your spoken English confidence. Hit that subscribe button and join us for more practice sessions every week. Now, let's look at today's 10 sentences. Okay, let's go through the 10 sentences you will master today. I'll say each one, and then I'll quickly tell you when to use it. 1. I'm working on it. Use this when a colleague or your boss asks for an update on a task. It means you are actively doing it right now. 2. I'll get back to you. This is perfect when you don't have the answer immediately and you need some time. It's polite and professional. 3. Let's schedule a meeting. A very common phrase for when an email or chat isn't enough and you need to talk things through. 4. Could you clarify that? Never be afraid to ask this. It's a polite way to say you didn't fully understand and you need more details. 5. I have a deadline. This explains why you might be busy or why a task is a priority. It's a powerful phrase. 6. Let me double check. This is better than saying, I'm not sure. It shows you are careful and want to give the right information. 7. I agree with you. A simple and direct way to show support for a colleague's idea during a discussion. 8. Can I have your input on this? Input means your ideas or feedback. Use this to ask for someone's opinion respectfully. 9. I'll take care of it. This is a fantastic phrase that shows you are responsible. It means you will handle the task completely. What's on the agenda? Use this at the start of a meeting to ask what topics you will discuss. It makes you sound prepared and professional. All right, now it's time to practice. The most important part, I will say the sentence, and then you will have a few seconds to repeat it. Focus on clear pronunciation. Don't worry about speed yet. Let's begin. I'm working on it. I'll get back to you. Let's schedule a meeting. Could you clarify that? I have a deadline. Let me double check. I agree with you. Can I have your input on this? I'll take care of it. What's on the agenda? Excellent. Now we're going to do it again, but this time at a more natural conversational speed. Try to link the words together. Follow my rhythm. Ready? I'm working on it. I'll get back to you. Let's schedule a meeting. Could you clarify that? I have a deadline. Let me double check. I agree with you. Can I have your input on this? I'll take care of it. What's on the agenda? You're doing great. This is the final round, and it's a shadowing challenge. I want you to speak almost exactly at the same time as me. Don't wait. Go with me. This builds true fluency. Let's go. I'm working on it. I'll get back to you. Let's schedule a meeting. Could you clarify that? I have a deadline. Let me double check. I agree with you. Can I have your input on this? I'll take care of it. What's on the agenda? That's it. Your mouth and brain are now trained on these 10 sentences. The key is repetition. Come back to this video or practice them by yourself tomorrow until they feel completely natural to you. If you want me to make a part 2 with another set of daily work sentences, let me know in the comments. Tell me, what is the most difficult situation for you to speak English at work? Presentations? Small talk? Meetings? I read all the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button if you practiced with me today, and make sure you are subscribed for more spoken English practice. Thank you for working hard, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day at work.